wonderful to be here today to have an open and positive dialogue about independent Wales.
Westminster understands devolution very well, because Westminster knows it can get rid of devolution tomorrow.
Roedd rallies 2019, dwi'n meddwl, yn drobwynt yn hanes Cymru. Oedd pobl wedi cael allan bol, oedd pobl yn ddigalon. A nathon nhw rallies, a syni ni, a cael llawenydd a hyder. A'r hyder na sy'n dod o gael hyder yn eich hunain i fel, ydy, mae'n iawn i fod eisiau annibyniaeth, ac ydy mae annibyniaeth i Gymru jyst mor normal ag annibyniaeth i'r Iwerddon neu Denmark, neu Slovenia, neu unrhyw wlad arall. A dwi'n meddwl unwaith o pobl yn neud y troad na, does oedd e'n stopio.
There's nothing inevitable about the condition of our people. We can abolish homelessness, hopelessness and despair.
We know this struggle is not just for us, for everybody, for you, our friends, who are fighting for self-determination in Wales.
Helo, Siamai, Caerdydd fi. O'n i mor falch i allu bod yn rhan o'r ymdraeth fawreddog digwyddodd blwyddyn diwethaf yng Caerdydd, a fi ffili dros faint o lwyddiant o ddedd gweld y môr o goch drwy'n prif ddinas ni jyst yn brofiad byth gofiadwy. Faint o fraint oedd e i gael bod yn rhan o'n fe. Oedd y siaradwyr i gyd yn hyfryd. Oedd y trefnu wedi bod yn anhygoel o funud ola. Fi ffili drosto pa mor wych oedd e gyd.
Helo, Siamai, Llywelyn ydw i, Llywelyn ap Gwilym, a fi oedd un o'r trefnwyr o'r ymdaith gyntaf dros annibyniaeth yng Nghaerdydd blwyddyn diwethaf. So I didn't really know what to expect. I was hoping for 1,000 people. That's what I had told the council and the police that we were expecting. And I knew that there were some buses coming from around Wales. So, you know, I knew that there would be a good couple of hundred people, and I was hoping for 1,000 because that would look good. And when I turned up at City Hall, it was probably an hour and a half before the start, and there was comfortably 500 or 600 people there with plenty of time to go. And from that point on, I could relax a little bit. And over the course of the next hour, the whole of the Civic Centre just filled and filled and filled. And I think, you know, in the end, we had 2,500, 3,000 people, which I think, you know, was beyond our expectations and, you know, really set us up then to kick on in the next marches in Caernarfon and in Merthyr.
The Caernarfon March was about the people, an opportunity for us as people to celebrate our identity, our freedom, but also to raise our voices and to protest our equality, our right for equality and justice and normality, being an independent country like other normal countries, and the people came out.
Oedd o wythnosa o drefniadau, oedd o wir yn, oedd o waith calad, ond dwi'n meddwl un peth am gangen Yes Cymru Caernarfon ydy mae'n gangen dy hwnt o weithgar a lawer iawn o fwrlwm yna fo, llwyth o aelodau sy'n angerddol dros yr hyn maen nhw'n neud, ac oedd hynny rhywbeth arbennig, oedd ni'n griw o bobl oedd yn credu'n yr un peth, o'r un meddylfryd, ac oeddech chi ar yr un donfedd yn nhw, ac oedd pawb yn gweithio efo'i gilydd. A, wel, os da hynna'n gweithio ar y lefel lleol, mae'n anhygol be fydda ni gyflawni ar y lefel genedlaethol. A na i fyth yr anghofio'r olygfa yn edrych i lawr. A roedd o jyst yn fôr o goch, a bydd yn anhygol oedd ni ddim yn gweld i ddiwedd o. Ac oedden ni'n cysylltu efo'n gilydd fel grŵp dros WhatsApp ac ati, ac oedd pobl yn dweud, oedden ni wedi cerdded rownd y castell unwaith ac o'na griw yn y maes parcio yn Doc Victoria, oedden nhw dal heb gychwyn. Dyn oedd hynny, oedd o rhoi croen gwydd go iawn a na i fyth anghofio'r olygfa yna.
When I think back to that day, the one image that stays with me more than any other is of those two banners being unfurled from the royal balcony. You know, Castell Caernarfon, Edward I's stronghold, was taken over on that day. And those two banners, independence and Annibyniaeth, unfurled from that royal balcony, was fantastic.
Oedden ni'n dangos bron bod ni'n meddiannu y dre, ac oedd o'n dangos oedd o'n arwyddo rhyw ddechrau newydd I mi, dwi'n meddwl, a eto golygfa na I fyth anghofio.
Ie, mae rhifau'n amazing. Mae'n neis I weld bobl o bob man o'r wlad yma yn Merthyr, so mae fe'n lyflu weld gymaint o bobl yma.
Rydyn wedi cael diwrnod arbennig o braf yma heddiw. Felly nid just y prifddinas, nid just prifddinas y Cofid a prifddinas y Gogledd, ond yma Merthyr ac ymlaen.
We just need those numbers to grow. We just need people to embrace the notion that Wales can be free.
The highlight of the day for me personally was the morning of the march, when we finally knew then that regardless of all the planning, all the worrying, there was nothing more we could do. It was out of our hands, and it was just a matter of waiting and seeing how many people turned up. So the feeling then on the morning of that Saturday, seeing people start to arrive very early in the morning and congregating in Caffi Zowar, and then the numbers rising and rising, and that feeling that we were okay, you know, there were thousands in attendance, the weather was good, and we were looking forward to a fantastic march. Ro'n i'n teimlo oedd hi'n holl bwysig I gynnal o'r ymdaith y Merthyr Tudful oherwydd lleoliad Merthyr o fewn y cymoedd, a'r ffaith bod dwysedd holl bwysig wedyn ni o boblogaeth Cymru yn byw o fewn ardal weddol fach, ac o ganlyniad wedyn ni bydde fe'n gymharol hawdd I gael digon o bobl wedyn ni ddod i'r o'r ymdaith y Merthyr. A hefyd wrth gwrs oedd e'n gyfle I estyn mas I cymunedau'r cymoedd sy'n siŵr o fod yn teimlo bod nhw wedi cael eu hamddifadu dros y degawdau diwetha ac wedi colli mas I raddau helaeth ar y twf economaidd a'r llwyddiant Caerdydd wedi mwynhau yn yr un cyfnod.